In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete sent emails in Gmail. If you want to clean up your sent folder and remove messages you no longer need, Gmail makes the process quick and simple. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to find your sent emails, select the ones you want to remove, and delete them in just a few clicks. To get started, go to your Gmail inbox, make sure you're signed into the correct Gmail account before you begin, especially if you use more than one account. Once Gmail is open, you'll land on your main inbox screen where you can access all of your folders and labels from the menu on the left side. Next, look over to the left-hand column and click on Sent. This will open the folder that contains the emails you've already sent from your account. If you don't immediately see Sent in the menu, you may need to look a little further down the list of Gmail labels. Once you click it, you'll see all of your previously sent messages displayed in the main panel. Now find the email or emails you want to delete. To select them, click the empty checkbox next to each message. This is useful if you only want to remove specific emails instead of clearing everything. Take a moment here to double check your selections because deleting the wrong sent email can be inconvenient if you still need it for reference later. After you've selected the emails you want to remove, look toward the top of the message list for the bin icon. Click on that bin icon to delete the selected emails. Gmail will then move those messages out of your sent folder. A helpful thing to remember is that deleting an email from sent does not unsend it from the recipient's inbox. It only removes the message from your own Gmail account view. So this process is best for inbox organization and reducing clutter rather than taking back a message that has already been delivered. And that's all there is to it. Open your Gmail inbox, go to Sent, select the emails you want to delete, and click the bin icon. It's a simple way to keep your account tidy and make it easier to find the messages that still matter.